5, 4, 3, 2, 1. As Ravindra Bhatt J. Special leave granted, the parties were heard with consent of their counsel. One set of appeals arising from SLPC numbers 23204-23204/2015 has been preferred by the Bihar Staff Selection Commission, hereafter BSSC, and the other set referred to as the aggrieved party appellants by several aggrieved parties who were appellants before the division bench of the High Court in 4 intra-court appeals which had questioned the judgment and order of a learned single judge. The single judge set aside the results of the main examination with consequential directions to the BSSC to prepare fresh results of the graduate level combined examination 2010 in accordance with the directions of the court in relation to deletion, modification of questions and answers as stipulated in the judgment. The aggrieved party appellants were not party to the writ proceedings but had been declared selected in terms of the results first published and subsequently were shown as not qualified under the revised results pursuant to the directions of the court by the learned single judge. 3 appeals to the division bench were by candidates who were writ petitioners and had impugned the judgment of the single judge in not granting them full relief in respect of all questions that were challenged. These parties were not selected in the final results declared. The brief facts of the case are that on 18/6/2010, the BSSC issued an advertisement calling for applications for selection of candidates to 1,569 vacancies in Class 3 posts in various departments of the Government of Bihar. Examinations were conducted on 12/4/2012. Results of the preliminary examination were declared. This became the subject matter of challenge before the Patna High Court. The High Court, after calling for evaluation of the questions and the results published by experts, directed fresh declaration of results. Resultantly, the fresh declaration of results was made on 29/12/2012. 27,289 candidates qualified in the examination. Meanwhile, the number of vacancies increased to 3,285 from the original number of 1,569. On 27/10/2013, the main written examination for selection as part of the second phase was held. Those who had been declared successful in the preliminary examination were allowed to complete on 28/1/2013. The model answers to the main examinations were published. The BSSC elicited comments and objections to the model answers. The BSSC constituted a committee of experts to examine the objections. Their report suggested changes with respect to 13 questions. The acceptance of the report meant consequential revision of the result. This led to the filing of 5 writ petitions before the Patna High Court. The results declared by the BSSC were impugned on diverse grounds, including that the original number of vacancies could not have been increased, that the increase in the number of candidates was arbitrary, and the final results were based on answers to various questions which were wrong. The single judge, after considering the contentions of the parties on merits held that the increase in the number of vacancies to be considered for selection and appointment beyond the initially advertised number was valid and in consonance with the law declared by the court.